to New Orleans to go to Essence Fest, baby. Taking the rod, doing the horseshoe method, bending it in half. I didn't make it to New Orleans without the humidity already striking. No matter how far in advance I know I have to have my hair done for me to go out of town, pick a hairstyle, all the things, I still wait till the last minute. I literally have about 5 hours until I gotta get on a flight to New Orleans to go to Essence Fest, baby. New here, my name is Courtney. I do all things natural hair, beauty, lifestyle, whatever I'm just feeling. So if you're new here, welcome. If you've been here, welcome back. Make sure you subscribe. Tell a friend to come on this side. We cool over here. But anyways, back to what we here for. I literally have to get up to drive to the airport about 2:30, 3 o'clock, and it is 10 o'clock. I'm deciding to do my hair now. I know what you're probably thinking. You're probably going to type this in the comments. Why would you do Flexi rides to go to the hot New Orleans for Essence Fest in July? I know. But I digress. We are here. I don't have $1,000 to get my hair braided, so we're just going to do a cute little Flexi ride set, and then I'm going to do some side twists so that if once I touch down, it just puffs up. I can at least have a little design over here, slick it back, and just wear it in a ponytail. That's fine with me. I'm chilling. I'm going on a brand trip with 54 Thrones. I was selected as one of the creators to go on the brand trip with them to Essence Fest this year. So I will be definitely having a mini vlog. Now this might be in the mini vlog, don't know. Or it might be a separate little hair tutorial as well, because I think you guys like my hair tutorials. So let's get into the actual video. Today I'm going to be using the Camille Rose, the Spike Honey Mousse to do my Flexi rods. For the twist, I'm going to be using the Camille Rose, the Honeycomb Curl Whip. This is a cream. It's a super cream. It smells really good. I'm hoping that no bees come get me because it literally smells like honey. It smells so good. So yeah, I'm going to put this on this side, and then I'm going to do Flexis around the head. I'm going to be using my green ones today, and probably a couple of the orange ones in the front to give me some more definition up here, just in case I need to, comb it out. Don't know. I'm just trying to, be prepared for the weather, because I've heard that it's very hot down there. Okay? So, like I said, you're here for the hair. Let's do it. Alright, so this is the side that I'm doing some twist on. It will probably be, let's say 3. First twist in. Let's see how long it takes us to do this hair. It doesn't take too long. Still got a pack. Alright, so we got that one done. Alright, so that's finished. Got those done. Now let's move on to the Flexis. Okay, because I'm just trying to go fast. This is what I got so far. I wish I would have took the time to find more of my orange Flexis because I don't know what these bigger ones are gonna look like, but we shall keep going. But I'm just doing the horseshoe method, which you just bend the Flexi rod, and I actually have like a full tutorial on my page already. I'll link it below in the description. But I'm just using the horseshoe method this time. I thought it would be faster. And I'm doing more of the orange around like the front of my hair. So I'm just taking a piece of hair, splitting it in two, taking some mousse, and not too much because my hair is already dry. So I don't want it to go all the way back, like revert it. I'm really just trying to focus on the end so that it can stay on the rod. Take the rod, place it over top, and then I just go under it. And the more closer the ringlets are as you're twirling it, it's going to be a tighter curl. But if you want it to be a little bit longer curl, you can wrap it around the rod a little bit far out. And then I take the other side and do the same thing. Wrap it. I kind of want them to be a little bit long, so I'm giving it like a ringlet. And you just want to make sure you have enough mousse at the end so it can stay. And I just like to bend it down. And then there you go. Yeah, there you go. And I'll probably be using more of the orange in the front, since the orange is kind of giving me a little bit less headache. And I'm trying to rush. Taking the rod, doing the horseshoe method, bending it in half so I don't have as many flexi rods. This part I'm going to split. I do have some green in the back, and the orange I'm using more to define my hair. Use some mousse. Take this, place it on top, wrap under, and the further you spread out your ringlet, the longer the curl will most likely be. If you want a tighter curl, you'll just bunch the hair up on the rod. But I kind of want it to be a ringlet, so I'm just kind of giving it some space each time. And you just want to make sure you have enough mousse, and then bend it down, and there you go. And now I'm just going to finish up the front. So we're here now. Speeding this thing on up. Oh, it just bounced back. So yep, we're here now. And now I just got to put in, I want to say 2 more, no, 3 more. I'm trying to put it to the side so it lays more to the side. Is what I'm trying to accomplish, but it's probably gonna still lay in my face, which I really don't want. So I'm probably gonna put like a bobby pin right there. I'm putting more mousse at the ends because I just got them trimmed, so they're not like trying to stay on here. I think that's what I've been struggling the most this whole time, is that these ends are freshly cut, so they're not. So I'm just wrapping it. So if you can't do the rotating of your wrist, you can just literally wrap it around the rod. Just take it and wrap it. And just want to make sure that at least the end is secure. And see how it keeps trying its hardest not to cooperate. We're done installing, what's that thing called? My detached blow dryer to cut it. I'm going to use that so it can dry a little bit faster, so I don't have to sleep like this. I'm probably gonna sleep on the flight. So what it looks like. So I'm going to take it out before I go to the airport. Yeah. Hopefully it'll be dry by then. We will be back. Change the scenery for the actual tutorial. I already unraveled, just rolled it under and it just came off. They're already too soft, so I don't think they're gonna make it in that heat. I'm about to go run outside before I head to the airport and add that Kenra professional spray. Hopefully that will help it, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna go in a ponytail. So I'll probably have to redo this tutorial again. Yeah, it's like 2 o'clock in the morning. So let's make it to New Orleans. We're still gonna have fun. Even my hair look crazy. So if it does look okay, I'll unravel it with you guys when I get to New Orleans. So let's go. I don't know if y'all can see me, but I'm trying to record 2 videos at once. But yeah, look at my hair. So yeah, we'll have to do that. We'll have to run that tutorial back. But I'll put the clips in for this vlog just to show you like what the process was. You just unravel it, separate it with your fingers, and then you pick it to give it some volume. It's just that I didn't make it to New Orleans without the humidity already striking. So we're just gonna fix it. I don't know if y'all see this, but she's really cute. I got one more perm rod in here, but it doesn't look bad. But I don't even want to set myself up, because I know if I just say, go ahead outside, Courtney, it's gonna make me mad. It's gonna make me mad. It's gonna make me mad. So let's go ahead and put it up so I can go ahead and put my makeup on. Okay. We can wear that.
I'm a presidential Roosevelt. Goody goody, goody goody, bam bam. I need you now now. Put me on fire like you like that. Can you taste so the vanilla? And I want that why you so sensational. Oh, what's in I do for you, girl?
so this is the final look for Friday, July 5th, first day here. This is my little day look. Now, it's probably not gonna look as cute when I go to dinner tonight, but this is really pretty. I'll put some butterflies in there. It looks so pretty. It's a butterfly on the side too. Yeah. We'll be making it work. We'll figure it out.